i.u.i.c is the I.u.i.c counselor of the people. So when I'm speaking in Hebrew, I wanna make it clear to you that our trials and tribulations was beyond madness. Now your pastors want teach us to be passive.
Shalom, shalom, yasha'Allah. This your wet time. i.u.i.c is the I.u.i.c counselor of the people. And I'm over here dealing with the social media, man. I'm not really an internet type of person. I'm not tech savvy, but I tell you, the videos that come up on Facebook, man, and on YouTube. I just watched this video where this Edomite, aka white man, was just speaking very disrespectfully to a black woman. Not only was she a black woman, but she was an older black woman, older than him at least, right? And you know, at the point of the video, we don't know what happened before the video, but one thing I could say is that, yo, he's just out of line. You know, he was calling her a black bitch. He was saying she had fake hair. He was I'm gonna play the video for you guys.
Fucking ass out.
Bring up. Bring up.
You fucking wait. On the platform tomorrow.
Bring him.
Yeah.
Bring him.
You fucking clown ass pussy. You fucking hit me and you got nudged the fuck back. Yeah.
Stinky ass breath, you ugly bitch.
Yeah.
You fucking ugly bitch.
Your fucking mother. The pussy that you crawled out of, motherfucker.
Stinky ass breath, bitch.
Yup.
Fucking fake ass hair.
This is real, bitch.
Pull your fucking weave off.
This ain't you know so fucking much. This is real hair, bitch.
Yeah, some real.
This is real. Real, bitch.
That's someone else's
hair.
hair.
No, bitch. It's my hair, bitch. It's mine. You fucking clown. Not everybody, not every black woman wears a wig, bitch. He's a fucking clown. No, I'm not crying. I'm not crying. I'm not crying. You fucking clown. Yup. And what the fuck that shit smell like? You fucking clown.
Ugly ass.
Yeah.
You fucking ugly bitch.
You a pussy ass white boy.
Bitch.
You a pussy ass white boy. You pussy ass white boy. Pussy ass white boy. Pussy ass white boy. Pussy ass white boy. Your mother. Your mother. Your mother.
Stinky ass breath.
Your mother.
Get the fuck off the train, you ugly bitch.
Your mother.
You ugly bitch.
I ain't going no fucking where. Your mother.
Suck my dick.
You better grow one, you white boy.
Suck my
grow one, you white boy.
Suck my dick.
Grow one, you fucking white boy. You grow one.
Suck my dick.
He's a fucking clown.
Ugly ass bitch.
Step out for getting out.
Don't touch me.
Fuck that white boy up.
Somebody be the bigger person. Stop.
Ugly ass fucking bitch.
You're a man.
Yo, elbow me my fucking rib.
Cause you fucking pushed me.
You ugly ass bitch.
You pushed me.
Stinky ass fucking bread.
He is.
Just be quiet.
We got
kids on.
Suck my dick.
We got kids. You be a man.
Be a fucking man. Suck my dick too over there. You can suck my dick too. You will all suck my dick. Come on, suck my dick. Let me suck my dick.
Feel the joy. Hey, go.
Easy, y'all. Easy. Talk that shit to me. You talk that shit to me, pussy. Keep talking. You pussy. Say it. I'm ready. Tell us how you're ready. Tell us how you said. Hey, yo, suck your dick, pussy. Tell us how you bro. You suck your dick, pussy. Now I'm calling you a pussy. Pussy. Talk that shit now. Yo. So you better chill, B. Chill, B. No man you arguing with this woman? You arguing with a woman too on top of that? You fucking crap. You gonna get washed out. You're like a bitch. Oh yeah?
Wait, can we just get in the train?
You up nice. Inside you up nice, bitch. Inside you up nice. Inside you up nice.
No, relax.
Be like a little bitch.
Get off safety, please.
Quiet now, right? Yeah, you bitch. Suck my dick. Fucking bitch.
You pussy, shot. You pussy, shot.
I'm pussy?
You pussy. I'll break that joke. I'll break that joke.
Fuck you, bro.
I'll break that joke right here, bro. I'll break that joke.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Suck my dick. Suck my fucking dick.
Excuse me? Thank you.
So now, the thing that pisses me off is like, how is it that this white man could get away with saying all of this stuff to this black woman? No one said anything to him. And no one stick up for this woman. You could tell she was scared. She was shaking. You see her hand shaking while she's holding the phone. And no one sticks up for her. But then soon when this black man stands up and then he decides to get up in this guy's face for disrespecting this black woman, everybody on the train has something to say. Everybody wanted to jump in it. People want to stop him from fighting him. But why? Why do y'all wait now? Why do y'all wait till somebody's about to dig in his jaw and beat his ass to want to stand up now and intervene? But nobody wanted to intervene before. This is what the scriptures say, where it says, this is what the scripture mean when it says, who shall stand up to the evildoers? This is the book of Psalms, chapter 94, verse 16. It says, who will rise up for me against the evildoers? Or who will stand up for me against the workers of iniquity? So iniquity is sin. This man was in sin. Now some of y'all might say, oh, it was just words. This guy was going to fight him. And, you know, we got to learn how to just let these words go over our head. And it wasn't that big of a deal. But he was in iniquity. How do I know he was in iniquity? How do I know he was in iniquity? Because this is an elder. And the scriptures tell you on how to deal with an elder. But nobody stood up for her. Nobody was righteous enough to stand up for her. That's why the Lord made this statement. Because he knew in the last days, people was going to be turning the eye towards evilness. I'm going to read it again. Who will rise up for me against the evildoers? Or who will stand up for me against the workers of iniquity? So the Lord is asking a question. Who's going to stand up against the evildoers or the workers of iniquity? Against this dang old white man disrespecting a black woman. An elderly black woman. Not elderly to the point she got gray hair and old, but she was older than him. No respect in these last days, man.
Yeah, well, I is I am, he got the street fire. FBI, they be having my phone tapped. Look outside, CIA, they got my home tapped. I keep it so real, y'all got to feel me. After conspiracy theory, man, they got to kill me. Yeah, well, I is I am, counselor of the people. So when I'm speaking in Hebrew, I want to make it sense.